Picture this. It's the early 2000s. A Hezbollah operative is searching for threats, scouring a room for bugs and devices. Nothing seems out of the ordinary, just a pile of outdated tech. Among them, an old bulky pager. Little does he know that pager is actually a weapon, a bomb, carefully concealed to blend in with everyday objects. Welcome to the world of covert warfare, where even the most unassuming gadgets can become lethal. In this video, we'll uncover how Israel turned something as ordinary as a pager into a deadly tool against one of the world's most dangerous militant groups. Stay tuned, because what you're about to learn might just change the way you look at technology. In the early 2000s, the conflict between Israel and Hezbollah was escalating. Hezbollah, a powerful and well-organized militant group, posed a significant threat to Israel. This wasn't just a fight on the battlefield. It was a war of intelligence, where both sides constantly looked for ways to outsmart each other. Israel needed to think outside the box. Direct assaults were risky and often unpredictable, so the Israeli intelligence agency, Mossad, turned to deception, using covert devices and psychological tactics to undermine Hezbollah. And that's where our story begins, with a pager. At first glance, this pager was just a piece of outdated technology, the kind of thing you'd find in an office drawer. But inside, Israeli engineers had hidden a deadly secret. They designed an almost invisible detonator that could be triggered remotely. It was undetectable to any bomb detection equipment Hezbollah was using at the time. What made it even more dangerous was the use of wafer-thin plastic explosives, which could be molded to fit inside objects like batteries or devices without raising any suspicions. The result? A weapon that looked like a harmless piece of tech. The Mossad was meticulous in their planning. The goal wasn't just to plant bombs, but to do it in a way that Hezbollah would never suspect. Pagers, radios, even remote controls. Anything could be rigged with explosives. These devices were placed where Hezbollah officials would naturally come into contact with them, all while remaining completely oblivious. Hezbollah trusted their detection methods, but they were no match for this new Israeli technology. The Mossad knew this, and they exploited that trust to perfection. When the time came, Israeli operatives activated the devices remotely. No countdowns, no visible wires, just an instant detonation. The results were devastating. High-ranking Hezbollah officials were taken out in a series of explosions, leaving the organization scrambling. The real genius here was that Hezbollah had no idea how it happened. Their enemy had weaponized the ordinary, pagers, radios, everyday items, and made them lethal. It shattered their confidence. How could they defend against something they couldn't see? After these attacks, Hezbollah realized that Israel wasn't just a step ahead. They were playing an entirely different game. The psychological impact was enormous. Suddenly, everything around them was suspect. How could they trust their own surroundings when even a simple pager could be a weapon? For Israel, it wasn't just about eliminating key targets. It was about sending a clear message. We can strike anywhere, anytime, with anything. This innovative use of technology changed the rules of the game, not just for Hezbollah, but for covert warfare as a whole. In the world of espionage and covert warfare, sometimes the most effective weapons aren't the ones you expect. This story of a simple pager turned deadly is just one example of how intelligence agencies push the boundaries of technology and innovation to gain the upper hand. If you found this story intriguing, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more insights into the hidden stories of modern warfare and intelligence. Thanks for watching.